Hello student. Today we are continue our chapter number 3 understanding quadrilateral and in this video we understand the topic polygon. Okay. So polygon is a simple closed curve. Polygon is a simple closed curve entirely made by a line segment. Okay. So here you can see the pictures. This figure is simple closed curve because its starting point each other and this figure is made entirely by a straight line, then it is said to be a polygon. Okay, same as this figure has four sides and entirely made by a line segment, then it is also a polygon. But when we see this figure, this is a closed figure, but it is not a simple curve because it intersect to each other, so it is not a kind of polygon. Same as when we observe this figure, we can see that it is also not a simple curve, so it is also not a polygon. This figure is also not a polygon because it is open. So simply polygon is a simple closed curve entirely made by a line segment. Now, before going to next topic, first we have to understand what is the interior and exterior part of any polygon. Suppose this is my curve made by a curved line. Then the area covered by this curved line is said to be its interior part and other area instead of this interior portion part. Okay. Next, we have to understand about the diagonals of a polygon. Suppose this is my a polygon. When we join any two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon, then it is said to be its diagonal. Okay, so when we observe this figure, for this vertex K, L and N are the consecutive vertices because both vertices are lies L and K lie in the same line segment, then they are consecutive vertices. Same as vertices K and N, both lies on a line segment KN, so it is a consecutive vertices. Then other than L and N, M is the vertices, it is non-consecutive, then KM is the diagonal of a polygon. Okay. So diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Okay, now we understand how we classify polygon. Okay, so first we classify them on the based on the number of their sides or vertices. Okay, first when we break the word polygon, we get poly plus gon, where poly means many and gon means sides. Okay, when we have a one side, then we get a line. So it is not our polygon because we can't make a closed figure. Same as when we have a two line segment, we get a ray. So it is also not a closed figure. So with the help of one line and two line, we can't make any polygon. Now, but when we have a three sides, we can make a triangle. So our smallest polygon is triangle with number of sides or vertices is 3. When we have a 4 sides or vertices, we can draw a quadrilateral. Same as when we have a 5 sides, we can draw a pentagon. When we have a 6 side, we can draw hexagon. With 7 sides, we can make heptagon. With sides 8, we can make octagon. Same as if we have a n number of sides, it is said to be a n-gon. Okay. So here you can also see different types of polygons with different vertices. Our next classification is based on the portion of the diagonal in exterior. Okay. In this figure, when we observe all this figure, all the polygons have a diagonal lies interior portion. Whereas when we observe these four figures, we can see that it has some diagonals are in the exterior portion and some diagonals are in the interior portion. Then on the basis of their diagonals, we can divide it in two types, convex polygon and concave polygon. So concave polygons are those which have no portion of their diagonals in the exteriors. It means all diagonals lies interior part. Same as when we are talking about concave polygon, then they have at least one portion of their diagonal in their exterior. It means they have mixture of diagonals. Some diagonals are interior portion and some diagonals are exterior portion, but they have at least one exterior diagonal. Okay. Next type is based on the size of an angle between the vertices. Okay, when we observe these figures, we can see that this is an equilateral triangle because it has three equal sides and with three equal angles. And any figure contain equal sides, then it is said to be equilateral. And if they have equal angles, then they are said to be equiangular. So this figure is equilateral and equiangular. But when we observe this rectangle, it is equiangular because it has all four angles are of the 90 degree, but their sides are not equilateral because it has only opposite sides are equal to each other. So now we can classify polygon as regular polygon and irregular polygon. Regular polygon means a polygon which is equiangular and equilateral, whereas irregular polygons are may not be equiangular, but it is not compulsory, it is but not equilateral. Okay. Example of regular polygon is equilateral triangle, square, and irregular polygon we can consider rectangles, isosceles triangles. Okay. So on the basis of these concepts, you have to solve these questions, and with the help of this concept, we can solve exercise 3.1 in our live classes. Thank you so much.